Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progressions. Arithmetic progressions, short form of the arithmetic progression is AP. So here onwards we are going to call it as AP. What we are going to learn here, what is a sequence, what is a series, and what is the definition of arithmetic progression. This we are going to learn in this session. Arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? See, some numbers, they are following some specific pattern, they are in some specific manner, then it is what called as arithmetic progression. First we will see some examples, and after that we will see the definition of it. First example, suppose Reena got the job with the salary 8,000 rupees with the annual increment 500 rupees each year. So this is the example. Reena got the job with the salary rupees 8,000 and increment will be of rupees 500. So what is the salary of Reena for first year? First year salary of the Reena will be 8,000 rupees. Then second year salary will be 8,500 because of increment is 500 rupees. 8,000 is the salary and increment per year, increment will be 500 rupees. So first year salary is 8,000, second year salary will be 8,500, then third year 9,000, fourth year 9,500 and so on. This will be the salary of Reena. Here we observe that these are the series of number or sequence of numbers. So these numbers, they are following some pattern. Which pattern? The difference between these two is 500. The difference between these two will be 500. Again the difference between these two will be 500. Means they are having some common difference. Suppose this is my first initial term. Say I can say A. A is the initial term, and the difference between these two, how we can calculate the difference? The next term minus previous term. Next term is 8,500 minus 8,000, so it will becomes 500. So we can say that this series of numbers, it is having initial term 8,000 and its difference is 500. So these numbers, list of numbers, they are following an AP, arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression means what? List of numbers in which they are following some specific pattern. Here they are following some specific pattern. Let's take the second example. Suppose there is one ladder. Say this is a ladder, and this ladder is having lungs. First, the bottom to top. First, this is second, third, fourth, fifth. This is a ladder. It is having lungs to go upside, bottom to top. Suppose the length of the lungs at the bottom, so suppose this is a 50 centimeter. This is a 5 centimeter less, 45 centimeter. This will be 40 centimeter. This will be 35 centimeter, and this will be 30 centimeter. Okay. So the length of lungs from bottom to top, if we taken here, so it will be 50, then 45, 40, 35, 30. Okay, so these are the lengths of the lungs of the ladder, and they are also some following some pattern. They are in some some systematic format. Length of first is 50, then 45, then 40, then 35, then 30. The difference between each two, 50 and 45, difference is 5. Here difference is 5, difference is 5, difference is 5. See, so the initial term A is equal to 50, D is equal to, we can take D is equal to 45 minus 50. Don't take 50 minus 45. 45 minus 50, the difference is minus 5. So this is also following the AP. This is in AP. This is also in AP. Okay. Again we will take the third example, that Ramu have monthly salary rupees 2000. Okay, Ramu, he is having a salary, monthly salary, Ramu's monthly salary is rupees, say 2000, is rupees 2000. Then his first month income is 2000, second month's income is 2000, third month income 2000, then 2000, 2000, like this, isn't it? So on. Okay, so its initial term is a is equal to 2000, common difference d is equal to second term minus first term, or you can take any two terms, adjacent two terms, next term minus previous term you have to do. So next term is 2000 minus previous term is also 2000, that is 0. So if you observe these three examples, these all three examples, they are in AP. Now we will see the definition of AP. What is the definition of AP? Arithmetic progression definition. A list of numbers. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number in its preceding, that is previous number, except initial term, or we can say that first term. Each of these numbers 2000, 2000, 2000, or here 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, each of these numbers are called as terms of an AP. The first term of this AP is 50, second term is 45, third term is 40, fourth term is 35, fifth term is 30, and so on, like this. Okay, so what is the definition? See here, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. These are the list of numbers: 8000, 8500, 900, 900, sorry, 9000, 9500. List of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding some fixed number in its preceding number. So preceding number is 8000, we added 500, 8500, again we added 500, 9000, again we added 500, 9500. So we are adding some fixed number in the previous number, so that we got the next number. So next number is obtained by adding some fixed number in the previous number. That kind of list is called as an arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression, initial term is denoted by, like here, initial term is denoted by A, and that fixed number is called common difference. Fixed number is called as common difference, denoted by D. So how the D is obtained? D is obtained by next number minus previous number. So the difference can be positive, can be negative, and can be 0. See, if we observe here, the D is equal to 500, it is a positive, so here difference is positive. Here D is obtained as minus 5, so here difference is negative. And here D is obtained 0, here the difference is 0. So difference can be positive, can be negative, or 0. So we can say that, therefore difference is, or difference can be positive, negative, or 0. Again, there are two kinds of APs. First one is finite AP. The AP in which or the AP which has finite number of terms. Finite number of terms, that AP is called as a finite AP, and the AP, second AP is infinite AP, that is infinite number of terms. The AP which contains infinite number of terms, that AP is called as infinite AP. So here in the above examples, first one is the AP contains the some terms 8000, 8500, 9000, 9500 and so on. So it is having infinite number of terms. So this AP is called as infinite AP. The second one is 50, 45, 40, 35, 30. So this AP is called as finite AP. Third one, it is called as third one is also in AP. So this AP is called as infinite AP. The difference can be obtained by the formula D is equal to AK plus 1 minus AK. This is a formula for obtaining the difference. How? D is equal to AK plus 1